Dear students, in this session we are going to see few problems. The ratio in which the line segment joining line segment joining 2,3 and 4,1 is divided by the line joining 1,2 and 4,3 is option A 1:2, option B 1:3, option C 2:3, option D none. X-axis, Y-axis. So took 1,2, 4,3. 1, 2, 4, 3. A, B. 1,2, 4,3. So x is 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Let the ratio be lambda is to 1. So section point lambda into 4 plus 2 by lambda plus 1 lambda into 1 plus 3 by lambda plus 1. The equation of the line joining 1, 2 and 4, 3 is y minus y1, that is 2 by y2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, or y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1, 3 minus 2 by 4 minus 1 into x minus 1, that is y minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 1, 3, 1 by 3 into x minus 1. So 3y minus 6 equal to x minus 1. X minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Since this section point divides the line, the point 4 lambda plus 2 by lambda plus 1, comma lambda plus 3 by lambda plus 1 lies on x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Four lambda plus 2 by lambda plus 1 minus 3 into lambda plus 3 by lambda plus 1 plus 5 equal to 0. So 4 lambda plus 2 minus 3 lambda minus 9 plus 5 into lambda plus 1 equal to 0. Multiply through by lambda plus 1. 4 lambda minus 3 lambda, that is 3 lambda, 2 minus 9 minus 7 plus 5 lambda plus 5 equal to 0. 6 lambda minus 2 equal to 0. 6 lambda equal to 2. Lambda equal to 2 by 6. 1 by 3. Recurrency lambda is to 1, which implies 1 by 3 is to 1. One is to 3. So option B is correct. Next question. A line through the point E of 2, 0, which makes an angle of 30 degree, which makes an angle of 30 degree the positive direction of x-axis is rotated about A in clockwise direction through an angle of 15 degree. The equation of straight line in the new position is two minus root 3 into x minus y plus minus y minus 4 plus 2 root 3 equals 0, 2 minus root 3x plus y minus 4 plus 2 root 3 equals 0, 2 minus root 3x minus y plus 4 plus 2 root 3 equals 0. D. None of this. A line passing through 2, 0. And taken through the point 2, 0, which makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis is rotated about A in clockwise direction through angle of 15 degree. Okay. So this line makes angle 30 degree. We have another line. See, it is rotated about 15 degree in the clockwise direction. This is anti-clock, this is clockwise. So totally 30. So 15 degree. So this line will make angle 15 degree. So slope of AC equal to M equal to tan theta, tan 15. So obviously tan 15 equal to, you can find it easily using 45 minus 30. Tan 15 equal to 2 minus root 3. Equation of A says y minus 0 equal to slope 2 minus 3 into x minus 2. So y equal to 2 minus root 3 into x minus 4 plus 2 root 3. Two minus root 3x bring y right answer minus y minus 4 plus 2 root 3 equals 0. Option A is correct. Next one. A straight canal is four and a half miles from a place and the shortest route from this place to the canal is exactly northeast. A village is three miles north and 4 miles east from the place. Which of the following is correct? Option A. The village lies by the nearer edge of the canal. Option B. The village does not lie by the nearer edge of canal. It cannot be decided from the given information. None of this. Let the given place be O and take it as origin. This is east, this is the north. We can take this one as canal. This is north direction, east direction. So this is 4.5 place from this place. Let the given place be O. Take this point as origin on the eastern north directions through O as the X and Y axis respectively. Let AB be the nearest edge of the canal. So shortest route means this should be perpendicular. OL perpendicular to AB, that is 4.5 miles. So this angle should be 45. This is exactly northeast. Therefore, the angle should be 45. Angle LOA equal to 45. LOA, this B. So, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. So, x cos 45 degree plus y sin 45 degree equal to, that is 4 and half. X into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2 equal to 9 by 2. X plus y equal to 9 root 2 by 2. The position of the village is four miles through north, that is y direction 3, x direction 4. So 4 comma 3. The village will lie on the edge of the canal if substitute x equal to 4, y equal to 3. 4 plus 3 should be equal to 9 root 2 by 2. 4 plus 3 equals 7, which is not true. Hence, does not lie by the nearer edge of the canal. So option B is correct. Next question, the locus of the midpoint of the portion intercepted between the axes by the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, where p is constant is option A, x square plus y square equal to 4p squared. One by x square plus 1 by y square equal to 4 by p squared. X square plus y square equal to 4 by p squared. One by x square plus 1 by y square equal to 2 by p squared. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. At x axis y equal 0, x cos alpha equal to p, x equal to p by cos alpha. At y axis x equal to 0, y sin alpha equal to p, y equal to p by sin alpha. So x cos alpha y sin alpha plus y sin alpha equal to b, intersects the coordinate axis at p by cos alpha comma 0 and 0 comma p by sin alpha. Let h comma k be the coordinates of the points of the portion intercepted between the axes by the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. So h equal to p by cos alpha plus 0 by 2, k equal to 0 plus p by sin alpha by 2. H equal to 2h equal to p by cos alpha, 2k equal to p by sin alpha, cos alpha equal to p by 2h sin alpha equal to p by 2k. We have cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1, p by 2h whole square plus 2k whole square equal to 1, p squared by 4h squared, p square by 4k squared equal to 1. Which implies 1 by h square plus 1 by k squared equal to 4 by p squared. 4 multiplying by 4 dividing by p squared, which implies locus of h comma k is 1 by x square plus 1 by y square equal to 4 by p squared. So option B is correct. The equation of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of x plus 3y plus 4 equals 0 and 3x plus y plus 4 equals 0, and equally inclined to the axis R. X minus y plus 1 equals 0. And x plus y plus 2 equals 0. Option B. X minus y equals 0 and x plus y plus 2 equals 0. Option C. X plus y equal to 0 and x minus y plus 2 equals 0. D. None of this. Any line passing through the intersection of x plus 3a plus 4 equals 0 and 3x plus y plus 4 equals 0. Is of the form x plus 3y plus 4 plus lambda into 3x plus y plus 4 equals 0. X into 1 plus 3 lambda plus y into 3 plus lambda 4 plus 4 lambda equal to 0. Slope of this line m equal to minus coefficient of x, that is 1 plus 3 lambda divided by coefficient of y, that is 3 plus lambda. One is equally inclined with the axis. Therefore, m equal to tan 45 or m equal to tan 135. Therefore, m equal to plus or minus 1. So, m equal to minus of 1 plus 3 lambda by 3 plus lambda equal to plus or minus 1. Minus of 1 plus 3 lambda by 3 plus lambda equal to 1 minus of 1 plus 3 lambda by 3 plus lambda equal to minus 1. Minus of 1 plus 3 lambda equal to 3 plus lambda. 1 plus 3 lambda equal to 3 plus lambda. Minus 1 minus 3 lambda equal to 3 plus lambda. 2 lambda equal to 2. Lambda equal to 1. Minus 4 lambda equal to 4 lambda equal to minus 4 lambda equal to minus 1. Therefore, lambda equal to 1 comma minus 1. So, x plus 3y plus 4 plus lambda into 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Lambda equal to 1 implies x plus 3y plus 4 plus 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. 4x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. So, x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Lambda equal to minus 1 implies x plus 3y plus 4 minus into 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. X plus 3y plus 4 minus 3x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. This will be cancelled. So, x minus 3x minus 2x, 3y minus y plus 2y equal to 0, which means x minus y equal to 0. So, x minus y equal to 0. So, option B is correct. The equation to the pair of straight lines passing through the origin and making angle alpha with the line y plus x plus 5 equals 0 is x square plus 2xy plus tan 2 alpha plus y square equals 0. X square plus 2xy secant 2 alpha plus y square equals 0. Option C. X squared cos squared alpha plus 2xy plus y squared sin square alpha equals 0. X squared plus 2xy secant alpha into tan alpha plus y square equal to 0. Since a pair of lines passing through the origin, let y equal to mx be one of the pair of straight lines. It forms an angle alpha to x minus y, y plus x plus 5 equal to 0. So tan alpha equal to modulus of m1 minus m2. M slope is m, here slope is minus 1, slope of this line is minus 1 by 1 plus m into minus 1. So modulus of m plus 1 by 1 minus m. So 1 minus m tan alpha equal to m plus 1. 1 minus m whole squared tan square alpha equal to 1 plus m the whole squared. So 1 plus m squared minus 2m into tan square alpha equal to 1 plus m square into 2m. One plus tan square alpha m square tan square alpha minus 2m tan square alpha minus 1 minus m squared minus 2m equal to 0. So m squared into or bring this side, this will be convenient to you. 1 plus m square plus 2m minus tan square alpha minus m squared tan square alpha plus 2m tan square alpha 0. Bring all terms to this side. So m squared into 1 minus tan square alpha two m into 1 plus here 2m tan square alpha. If you take 2m in common, 1 plus tan square alpha plus 1 minus tan square alpha 0. So m squared into 1 minus tan square alpha plus 2m secant square alpha plus 1 minus tan square alpha equal to 0. So this is quadratic in m. So y equal to mx, which implies y by x equal to m. So y squared by x squared 1 minus tan square alpha 2 into y by x secant square alpha plus 1 minus tan square alpha equal to 0. So y squared plus 2xy secant square alpha into x squared 1 minus tan squared alpha. So secant squared alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha equal to secant square alpha by 1 plus divided by 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. 1 plus tan square means secant squared alpha divided by, this is nothing but 1 minus tan square by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. One by cos 2 alpha, that is secant 2 alpha, which implies y square plus 2xy secant 2 alpha plus x square equals 0. So x squared plus 2xy secant 2 alpha plus y square equal 0. So option B is correct. We will discuss more sums next class. Thank you.